Oh, hello guys. Today I am going to show you how to create the class notebook. You should have Office 365. Easily you can get it, or maybe you are using. Open these three dots and click on the class notebook. So you will find this screen. Just click on the create a class notebook. Here you will write the name of your class. You can give the same name what you are using in the Teams, or you can generate the new class notebook. Okay, these are the information, just what will include in your class notebook. If you are happy, click on next. If you want to add some other teachers, so you can add here. Suppose I write here any of the teacher name, so lemon, show here, yes, lemon control. Now click on next. What are the students name? You can add some particular students, or you can add the whole class what you have if you want to share with them. Suppose I write here Chef Gandhi. Oh yes, I found this, and I will click on next. There are the information about what will be included in your notebook. You can add or you can remove something if you don't want something from here, so you can remove it, or you can add. Suppose I have to add projects, I can change the name, or I can add the section. This is the preview for how it will look like your notebook as a student or as a teacher. Takes time. This will be the first screen of your notebook. You can see your notebook grade 11 is ready. Now you have to open in the browser, or you download the application in your desktop or laptop, whatever. Suppose I am opening in the browser. So once I open it,